Okay, we're going to go ahead and set up the aggregate board. I'm going to log into Trello. I am already authenticated on this browser. You may have to actually log in. Locating the correct workspace and then going directly to the aggregate board. Mine is named Overview. Yours may be named something different. As you can see, we're in the Overview board space. These are my 3 project boards: finish movie review, finish spring cleaning, and finish and vacation prep. So let's go ahead and add those lists to the board. As a quick shortcut, once you've finished typing the name of your list, you can simply hit enter, because you can see add list is already, the add list button is already highlighted. So if you simply hit enter, it'll take you right over to the next prompt to add a list by name, and you can keep your hands on the keyboard if you choose. And then at the very end, you can either click the X or you can hit the escape key. That's a few shortcuts for those who like to keep their hands on the keyboard and not have to disconnect to go grab the mouse. The option is available. Okay, so we have the prep work done for the aggregate board. We have the appropriate lists created.